G'day, welcome back to another video. Isn't this stunning? Isn't this amazing? Being here now for 3 weeks at this incredible resort, working from a laptop, working essentially on my Amazon business. And let me invite you to experience the same. If you would love to have a business where you can essentially work it from anywhere. Now, there's a lot of businesses out there like that, but a business that truly is I would say 90% passive business, where as long as your products are at the Amazon warehouse, you can essentially run this business from anywhere. You're not going down to the post office. You're not getting people popping up to your garage every morning wanting to get your stock. You're not doing any of that at all. You're essentially sending your products to the Amazon warehouse, and as you make sales, they essentially send it out for you. And I'm running this business from this beautiful 5-star resort in this beautiful tropical climate. It's just incredible, and I feel blessed, I feel honored. I'm here with my family as well. So I'm here with my family, my son and my wife, and they've been enjoying this as well. We've all been working, not my son, but we've all been working away. And I do my hours per day. I work a few hours a day on my Amazon business, and the rest of the day I have this essentially to enjoy. And it has been just incredible. I count my blessings every single day, and I would like to invite you to do the same. If you would like to join me on this incredible beach, if you would like to run a business like I'm running a business, selling incredible products, amazing products that change people's lives on Amazon, then below this video there's a link. Give it a click. Would love to see you here. Would love to see you here and experience this. It really is amazing. And you know what? Selling on Amazon isn't that hard. People get stuck on 3 things: products, suppliers, and the launching side of things. They don't know what product to launch. They don't know where to find a supplier. And when they do launch it, or they don't know how to launch it, and they need help with that. So that is something that we also do as well. So we launch people's products on Amazon for them. So if you're interested in that, might be a good idea to have a chat and connect, all right? Take care, talk soon. Below this video, there's a link. Bye for now.
This weekend, having never sold anything online before, I feel like, I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas? Yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
I currently work in the corporate world. I work 9 to 5, and the reason why I chose to sell on Amazon is I wanted to free up my time to spend with my young family and be in charge of my earning potential. And Amazon has definitely got the potential to help me do that. Along with Alex and his support, I'm hopefully going to give it my 9 to 5.
Alex is very professional and very approachable.
He doesn't talk too fast, which is good, so you can learn and hear it clearly. A lot of presenters sometimes rush through things, but he's very clear and deliberate, and he really takes care to cover a subject really thoroughly, so you can learn it and actually learn the real things, what really will make a difference to getting your products going and your business going.
I'm actually now very keen to actually get out there and do it myself.
The best that I've actually experienced probably within the last 10 years.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
So after I attended the webinar and I came here, I think Alex did a very good job of explaining what you need to do and the methodical way of actually where you start.
Getting the confidence to launch the whole product, find a product, get the confidence to launch it, and having the finer details, I suppose, to make sure it gets up there and actually sells. I have a few product ideas from the conference, but I've also got a few from my personal meetings like with Alex.
His online system has been really awesome, really easy to follow. I learned so much from it, and it's basically kickstarted my business.
And I'm spending much more time with the family, which is the most important thing, and having time to yourself and the family.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it. I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, you just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, find my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.